Hi class, today our topic of discussion is trigonometry. As you can see, I have divided the entire word into three parts. Tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means measure. So I can say, what is trigonometry? The study of relationship between the three sides of a triangle and its angle is known as trigonometry. It has got wide variety of uses. In higher studies we use it, in calculus, physics we use it. In earlier times the astronomers used to find the distance between the planet and the earth with the help of the concept of trigonometry. We can find the width of the river, the height of the building, so many things. Okay, now very important thing is T ratios or trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometrical ratios. Now what are these? Trigonometrical ratio, as the name suggests, the ratio between the sides of a right angle triangle and its acute angle is known as T ratio or trigonometrical ratio. And of course it's a ratio, so this is unitless quantity, no doubt in that. What do I mean by this? Just see this figure. If I draw a right angle triangle, suppose A, B, C, right angled at B. So we know which is the hypotenuse. Definitely the side opposite to 90 degree is your hypotenuse, isn't it? Suppose we take this angle, angle A, as theta. How it is pronounced? Theta. Okay, then the first T ratio, the ratio of BC by AC, okay, is known as sine of theta and expressed, and how it is expressed, and this is written as sine theta equals to BC by AC. Okay, now look, another ratio of AB by AC is known as cosine of theta and expressed, and how it is expressed as cos theta equals to AB by AC. We have few more. Ratio of BC by AB is known as tangent of theta and expressed as tan theta equals to BC by AB. Am I clear? Now we have the reciprocal of all these also. What do I mean? Sine theta is BC by AC, which means the reciprocal of this, which means AC by BC, is cosec theta, which is cosecant of theta. Okay, the reciprocal of cos theta, which means, look over here, the reciprocal of cos theta is AC by AB, and that is known as sec theta. Secant of theta expressed as sec theta. Similarly, for tan also we have the reciprocal. The reciprocal is AB by BC. It is known as cotangent theta, which is written as cot theta. Cotangent of theta. So these are your 6 trigonometrical ratio which we are going to study. Now a very important thing to note over here. Just look over here. With reference to theta, the angle in consideration, in this triangle, your AB is your base, your BC is your perpendicular, and your AC is hypotenuse. That is fixed, no doubt in that. Am I clear? Which means I can write, see, sine theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay. Then if you look at cos theta, it's nothing but base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Similarly, tan theta is nothing but perpendicular by base. Am I clear or not? Similarly, your cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Your sec theta is hypotenuse by base, and your cot theta is base by perpendicular. The most important thing was theta, the angle in consideration, decides which will be your base. For example, take an example. I take a triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and this is my angle theta. Then remember, this becomes your base. Of course, this is the hypotenuse, no doubt in that, and this becomes your perpendicular. See, don't think that RQ is the perpendicular in this case. The base and the perpendicular depends on theta. With theta, with the angle, you have always the base and hypotenuse. Remember that. Okay. So in this triangle, if I want to find sine theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is PQ, not RQ, by hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta is base, which is RQ, by hypotenuse, that's PR. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Am I clear? And the reciprocal we can get. Now how to remember this? Very easy. Look over here. Some people have curly brown hair turning permanently black. So how does it helps us? Just look carefully. Some people have, so sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, curly brown hair. So cos theta is base by hypotenuse, turning permanently black. So tan theta is perpendicular by base. Now let us see a few more relation between these T ratios. Now look at these 3 relations. The first one is reciprocal relation. If you look carefully, if I multiply sine theta and the reciprocal cosec theta, definitely I'll get 1, because this is AB by AC multiplied by AC by AB, which means this will be equal to 1, no doubt in that. Similarly, cos theta multiplied by sec theta, if you see, will be 1, because they are reciprocal to each other. And tan theta multiplied by cot theta is equal to 1. So this is your reciprocal relation. quotient relation. Just look over here. What I'll do, I'll divide sine theta by cos theta. It means AB by AC divided by BC by AC. Just look, which is AB by AC multiplied by AC by BC. So this cancels out, which is AB by BC. And if you look carefully, AB by BC is nothing but tan theta, which means sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. And the reciprocal of tan is cot, so which means cot theta will be cos theta by sine theta. So these two are my quotient relation. Remember these because these will help you while doing the sum. Now look at the square relation, very important. It goes till your class 12. Now look at the triangle ABC. We know Pythagoras theorem. We can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. Now what I'll do, I'll divide the entire thing. What I'll do, divide by AC square. So when you divide by AC square, it becomes something like this. AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square is equal to 1. Which means AB by AC is sine theta. So this will be sine square theta plus BC by AC. BC by AC is cos theta. So cos theta whole square is nothing but cos square theta is equal to 1. Remember, sine square theta is same as sine theta square. And it is read as sine squared theta. Am I clear? These two means the same thing. Remember, sine theta is one term. This is one term. Sine and theta, they are not separate term. Which means if something is like sine 30 by sine 60, please don't do like this. Sine never cancel. It's one quantity. The entire sine theta, sine 30 is one quantity. Okay, remember this. Suppose 30 degree and 60 degree. So the first square relation is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Which means I can say cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta from here. Which means I can say sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So these are my first relation. Now look over here. Now what I'll do, I'll divide the entire thing, divide by, suppose BC square. So when you divide by BC square, what do you get? Look over here. AB by BC whole square plus 1 equals to AC by BC whole square. Now look carefully. AB by BC is nothing but tan theta. So this will be tan square theta plus 1. And AC by BC, if I'm not wrong, is sec theta, the reciprocal of cos. So it will be sec square theta. So this is my second squared relation. One more is there. Look over here. If we divide by, suppose, AB square, this thing, okay, I'm dividing by AB square. So what I'll get? 1 plus BC by AB whole square is equal to AC by AB whole square, which means 1 plus, now BC by AB, if you look, is cot theta. So cot square theta is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB is nothing but cosec. So this will be cosec square theta. So this is your first relation, this is your second relation, and this is your third square relation. Am I clear? Now let us look at few sums to understand it properly. Now look at these three sums. The first one, see, in a triangle ABC, they have given AB is 24, BC is 7, and AC is 25. It's a right angle triangle at B. First thing, they have asked sine of A, which means this is your angle. With respect to this angle, this is your base, this is your perpendicular, and this is always the hypotenuse opposite to the 90 degree. So sine A will be, see, sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is 7 by 25. It's a ratio, no unit. They have asked cos A. Cos is base by hypotenuse, curly brown hair. So base is AB by AC, which is 24 by 25. Done. No problem. Now look at this. They have told sine C. Now, when this is your angle to be considered, with respect to this angle, this becomes your base, this becomes your perpendicular, and the hypotenuse is always fixed. So again, sine, some people have perpendicular by hypotenuse, so AB by AC, which is 24 by 25, no doubt in that. Cos C, curly brown hair, so base by hypotenuse, that is AC, which is 7 by 25. Am I clear? Remember, your angle decide which should be your base. Now look at the second one. If sine theta equals to 5 by 30 and theta is acute angle, find the value of tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. Very easy. First, draw a right angle triangle, suppose ABC, right angle at B, and this is your theta. So this becomes your base, this becomes your perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Now what is given? Sine theta is 5 by 30, and sine theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. So by this relation, can I let BC as 5K and AC as 13K? Now with the help of these two, I'll try to find AB. Look over here, Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is AC square, which means AB is not known. BC square is 5K square is 25K square equals to AC square. 13K whole square is 169K square. So your AB square will be 169 minus 25, that's 144K square, which means your AB will be 12K. Actually it will be 12 plus minus 12K, but we'll take the positive one because this is a line segment. So we got this as 5K, we got the base as 12K and the hypotenuse as 13K. Now look carefully. Tan theta is nothing but perpendicular by base turning permanently black, which is 5K by 12K, which is 5 by 12. Similarly, cos theta, curly brown hair, base by hypotenuse, base is 12K, hypotenuse is 13K, that's 12 by 13. Now find this, tan theta plus 1 by cos theta, so that's 5 by 12 plus 1 by 12 by 13, so that's 5 by 12 plus 13 by 12, which is 18 by 12 if I'm not wrong, which is 3 by 2. So that's your answer. Now look at this one, the last one. Prove that tan square theta minus 1 by cos square theta plus 1 equals to 0. Very easy. Look over here. Tan square theta minus, this is my LHS. Now we all know that cos and sec are reciprocal to each other, which means 1 by cos theta can I write equal to sec theta, because cos is the reciprocal of sec, or sec is the reciprocal of cos, doesn't matter, which means this I can write as tan square theta minus sec square theta plus 1. Now look at this over here. If I bring sec on this side and 1 on that side, so tan square theta minus sec square theta equals to minus 1. which means this becomes minus 1 plus 1, which is 0. Hence proved. Keep it till here. In the next video, we'll look at the exercise from this part. Till then, take care.